Science Beetle.
Hey everybody, it's me, the Science Beetle. Hey, I wanted to provide you a little bit of a video drop here to provide a little bit of light for some of the additions that were recently done on the channel. You may have noticed, but I recently added Science Beetle Plays, where I went on some adventures, some new adventures in some gameplay. Why the gameplay? Well, the real reason is this. I'm a real person. I'm right here. This is the Science Beetle. And I'm the same teacher, the same science teacher, delivering the same content and the same lessons. That's going to be the core of the channel. And nothing's going to change there. I'm not going anywhere. But I wanted to provide a little bit of a flair. You know, in 2012, when I got started with this, I started making videos, and that's just been what I've been doing. And I kept my gameplay off screen. And now in 2026, I want to spice it up with a little bit of fun. And so there's nothing wrong with working hard, trust me. But you know, you got to balance it out with some fun gameplay as well. And so in the spirit of keeping things balanced, I'm going to provide these new adventures, and hopefully you can join us for those adventures as we embark on a lot of fun games that I'll share and continue to deliver the same rich content in science that I've done already since 2012. Hopefully you'll join us for those adventures, and as always, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.
Science Beetle.